I've been using this lift right here. It's a Pittsburgh lift. It's from Harbor Freight. It's very inexpensive. There's really nothing wrong with it. But this is the problem. If I take this lift and I put it underneath the bike, or any other lift for that matter, you put it under the bike, you lift up the bike, say the bike is in that position against the wall, it pretty much has to stay there. If I use this lift, as I did in the past, and I put it underneath the bike, the problem is these are small steel caster wheels. These only go forward and back. These caster wheels on here, they do go side to side. If I wanted to move this bike on this lift, not only will it damage my epoxy floor because of the steel caster wheels, and also they're very small, so it's really hard to move. It's not a, I want to say, high performance caster wheel. And being that the front wheels only move in one direction, I would have to literally like back the bike up, turn it, move it, like almost like basically a car. It would be a nightmare to try to move this bike around with that lift. Company, let's roll. Touched base with me and said, would you like to try this product? We'll ship it out to you. Give it a shot. Tell us what you think. I said, sure, no problem. The performance of this lift is nothing like anything on the market. It is absolutely awesome. So let me show you guys what it is. We'll lift up the bike and you're just gonna be amazed at how easy it is to not only lift this bike, but to move this bike around my garage. Let's just get into it because I'm super excited about this product. Make sure your bike is obviously in a gear, first gear preferably. Right now I'm gonna take the lift and I'm going to place it pretty much in the middle of the frame rail from front to back. And I'm gonna start raising this. Hold on to the front brake and it's slowly going to start raising the bike. Okay, we're good. Bike is totally suspended in the air right now. The jack is between the dolly system. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna place the dolly system perfectly in the middle of the frame rail, and we're gonna start lowering the bike. I'm gonna lock the caster wheels so the bike don't move. We're gonna lower it onto the dolly system. Then I'll show you guys how easy it is to move this bike around, and not only will it hold the bike while you work, but I'm gonna show you guys how I could just easily maneuver this motorcycle, this 900-pound motorcycle, around the garage. The bike is on the dolly system. So now let me show you guys how crazy simple it is to move this 900-pound machine in any direction I want. If I want it here, if I want to just flip it around, if I want it on the other side, if I want to take it out into the driveway and wash it, I can do that. I'll show you how simple it is. So I'm gonna unlock the two caster wheels. And look, it's already moving. I'm not even touching it. So if I want to totally move this bike around, my garage is a little slanted, the floor is not even, that's why the bike wants to move a little bit. I flipped it around like nothing. So now if I want, or even for storage purposes, if you have the bike on the other side, as you guys can see, I have cabinets there. If I want to get to them and the bike is over there, I don't have to pull out. Say we're here in the Northeast. What if I got 2 feet of snow outside and I want to work inside the garage and I don't have the room? If you have to turn the bike around, you got to open the garage door, pull the bike out, flip it around, bring it back. Like I said, what if there's a lot of bad weather outside, rain, storm, snow? It doesn't matter. Just like The Rock says, it doesn't matter.
It's every man for himself. It doesn't matter!
With this dolly system and lift system, this is a game changer for me. 900-pound bike, don't forget. Look at that. I just did a 180 in the garage. This thing is absolutely fantastic. Not only can I bring it outside, not only can I work on the bike, but I can move the bike from the left side of the garage to the right, from the front to the back. I could do 360s in my garage if I want with it. Whatever position I want the bike at, super, super easy to move. So now I can work on this side of the bike, I could work on the back, I could work on this side of the bike, and I could work on the front side. That's how simple it is. You're definitely not doing it with that.